Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you free alternative of Midjourney. As you know now, Midjourney is not free and they charge money for paid subscription. If you don't want to purchase subscription, then this video is very helpful for you. I will teach you the free alternate, which is Leonardo AI. Let's get started. I have spent hours crafting this free AI tutorial for you. Would you please give me 5 seconds of your time for a quick like, subscribe and share? Thank you so much, and be sure to let me know which video you would like next. Enter Leonardo AI on Google. Click on first website. You can see the Leonardo AI interface. Create or log in your Discord account. Then click on Get Instant Access. You can see the Leonardo AI registration. Fill out the form to immediate access. Click yes or no to first option, then enter your Discord username or Facebook username, enter your first name, enter the email for the account access, then select the option what would you like to accomplish. There are many options. I will select Enthusiast. Click on Submit button. After submitting, you can see the message, you are now whitelisted. You can click the link below to sign up. Enter your email which you entered in whitelist and password. Click on Sign Up button. Then go to your email and enter verification code. After that, click Confirm Account. You can see the interface Welcome to Leonardo AI. Enter your username. Select at least one option of what are your interests. Click on Confirm that you are over 18. Click on Next. Select one option from which role describes you. I will select Enthusiast. After that, click on Start using Leonardo. Now you are in Leonardo AI server. You can see the interface of Leonardo AI. It is free to use. On the other hand, due to high demand, Midjourney charge you money. If you don't want to spend money on Midjourney subscriptions, then Leonardo AI is best option for you. You can see there are many features in this server. First, you can see the featured models on the top. You can select which suits you according to your requirements. Then there are recent creation section. There are recent creation section. Then I will go to recent creation and click on random image. Now this is Chris image made by some user. Leonardo AI gives you the option of copy prompt. That's why it's better than Midjourney. Then there are some other options which you can see. For example, I will choose no background. Within seconds image background is removed. You can download the image with your changes of someone created image. Now if you want to create your own image, I will show you the steps. In left you can see User Tools. Click AI Edge Generation. The prompt bar is open. I will show you the fine-tuned models. There are multiples options you can use, whatever you want. They are related to Midjourney. I will click Select Custom Model, then click on Community Guidelines. You can check the model which are created by users themselves. You can see the bar in which you give the prompt, and also a negative prompt button you can click to open negative prompt bar. Below, there are image generation option in which you can upload image for prompt, and prompt generation allows you more complex prompt ideas from a single prompt. In top of the left, there are 150 coins which are updated in every 7 hours. I will write a prompt lightning strikes, abstract high quality. Then I will write the negative prompt as well. After that, click on Generate. It takes few seconds to generate results. Wow, your result is ready. You can download the image which you like. I will download the right one.